Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add link to your Facebook story. Let's start. At first, you have to open your Facebook app, and after that, tap on Create a Story, and in here, just find out the photo that you want to share. Tap on that, and then tap on Sticker. And in here you guys can't find out any option related to link, and you can't even search it. For this you have to use another method, and for this tap on the cross, and then let's go back and tap on your Instagram app, and then log into your Instagram account. And after that, tap on your story. In here, just choose the photo from your gallery that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this photo. Then, if you tap on stickers, you can search in here, to write down here. And after that you can find out this option. Tap on here, and in here you just have to put the link that you want. For example, I'm going to put this link, and then tap on done, and in here you guys can see the link. Then you can put anywhere you like. For example, I'm going to put it here. After that, tap on here, then tap on share. And in here they'll ask you if you want to sync your name and photo across Instagram and Facebook. Just you tap on continue, and then you can sync your name and photo with Instagram. Tap on here. If you do that, then your story will be shared to your Facebook account automatically. Now let's go back and see the story. As you guys can see, the story has been published. On the story, you guys can find out the link. In that way, you guys can also add links to your Facebook story. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.